Yeah, this food review is Reese's Extreme from Dairy Queen Blizzard. Yeah, it's Reese's Pieces, peanut butter cup, and ice cream all mixed together. Let's see if I. Yep, and it shows on the back of the spoon right here. I'm going to see it. It's really good. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for right now. Thanks for watching this video on YouTube. If you like the video on YouTube, give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel, and you can visit my blogs at any time, and my social media is included. And thanks for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.